Harley. Even though I got a crazy color. Y'all know I love crazy colors, but she's popping. Hey queen, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to click on this video. It means so much to me. Y'all will never understand how much it means to me when you support my channel. I need you to click one more time, one easy little click, and click the subscribe button below so that you can be a part of this queendom and so that you make sure that you don't miss any of this greatness that's about to happen. So you guys know I have a bomb wig review for you today. This one is very, very unique. This is by Red Carpet Hair, and this is the style Harley. Now this style is fairly new, and it is like a line of ombre wigs. I don't even know how to explain it. So on one side I have 613 and it flows down into a 1B, and on the other side I have 1B that flows down into a 613. So this line has all different types of color mixes, so if you haven't seen it, make sure you go ahead and check it out because they are very, very interesting. I was feeling a little bald, and you guys know I love to try different colors, so when I saw this mix I was like, oh, you already know I'm about to try it. So the color that I have is HT1B/613. This is what the card looks like, and I purchased it online with my own money, of course. This unit, if you're not into like bold colors, like you're not crazy like me, you're gonna still love this wig. Let me tell you why. Because they have normal colors, right? But this unit, like this is a really nice silky straight unit. The ends are bumped a little bit. It's about 18 inches long. But the unit is constructed very, very well, and it feels so good. Like, you know how sometimes straight units, they just rub you the wrong way and have you feeling some type of way? This one does not, so I really do like that because I am more of a curly unit fan just because they feel better, they last longer. But this one is a winner. So, like always, make sure you guys tell me what you think about this unit in the comment section. I'm going to go ahead and give you that 360. And I'll see you later. Okay guys, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. You guys know it means so much to me. I'm so happy that you decided to click this video. Make sure that you guys hit subscribe and join my wig giveaway. I'm blessing 3 deserving queens with free wigs, so go ahead and enter. Check all the details out on my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next